Good morning everyone and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name's Dani. I'm not even gonna lie, today's a really day outside. It is pouring down rain, and a day like today I typically would not pick up my camera. I actually probably wouldn't get out of bed, period. This weather does not inspire me to be productive whatsoever. But last night, after checking the weather and seeing that it was going to be raining all day, I figured it would be in my best interest to write down a really detailed to-do list. And I don't know, just doing something as simple as that really lights a fire under my ass, and it encourages me to be at least a little bit productive. So I got out of bed this morning at 9, and then since then I've just been doing things that are good for me and that make me happy. So I figured today would be a good day to vlog, because I'm sure a lot of you guys are in the same boat, and we're all just looking for little fun things to get our mind off of the bigger, not so fun things. I definitely got an early start this morning. It's just barely 11 o'clock, so I'm not in a rush to do anything super productive. Now that I finished doing my hair for the morning, I'm probably gonna watch 1 or 2 episodes of How I Met Your Mother, which will then turn into 3 or 4 episodes of How I Met Your Mother while I finish my coffee. Just wanted to remind you that all the jewelry that I'm wearing in this video is from Luisa, and you guys can check out down below for a link. Their Mother's Day sale is still going on, so you can use the code MOM35 for buy one, get one 35% off. Does anyone else also watch Netflix and Hulu with subtitles on, or is that just me? Not that anyone asked, but I'm still seeing 11:11 and 1:11 every single day. So if anyone could tell me what the hell that means, I would be very appreciative. Oh, Ted. This show makes my freaking head spin sometimes, I'm not kidding. So I decided to put on makeup today. I figure by watching all of my videos, it kind of looks like I wear makeup every single day of quarantine, and I absolutely do not. Yesterday, I spent all day in that bed. I think I had a total of like 90 steps yesterday, which is so unhealthy. I realized that it's so bad, but I was obviously wearing no makeup. I was in my sweats and sweatpants, and I was content, but I definitely feel better on days like today, where I make myself feel a little bit more confident, and this also just inspires me to get more work done, I think. So now that my makeup's done, I'm probably gonna continue watching How I Met Your Mother, because we are at a pivotal point in the plot. Cannot rest now, absolutely not. Like, of all the things that are on my to-do list right now, the lowest priority is probably painting my nails, but that's what I'm gonna do right now, because it's all I kind of have the motivation to do. Hey, Bubba. All right, it's 1:30 now, a little bit later. I just finished eating a little bit of lunch. Who is texting me? Huh. I think I'm gonna give myself another half hour to kind of just screw around and do whatever the hell I wanna do. I think I'm gonna try and shoot some Instagram content. I don't know how that's gonna go, but I'll keep you guys updated. And then at 2 o'clock, I'm gonna go downstairs and work in the kitchen with my mom and just get done hopefully 3 homework assignments, because the semester is wrapping up. I definitely have some stuff that I need to get done, and I don't want to drag it on into the nighttime, because I have things that I want to do tonight that are more fun than school. I ended up changing into literally the exact same outfit I was wearing in one of my last videos, but it's okay, it's quarantine and there are no rules. My door just opened by itself. Oh my god, I hate this. My bedroom door literally just opened all by itself. I'm not gonna talk about it. I don't wanna talk about it. We're not gonna speak about it ever again. All right, shooting that content was actually a really big success. I'll show you guys what I have rough edited right now. I think this is gonna be what I end up posting, because I really like how it looks, but who knows? Everything is subject to change. So this is what we're working with right now. I put it in the app Unfold, which is one of my holy grail photo editing apps, because it just makes everything look a little bit cooler. And I decided to use 2 black and white photos and 2 other photos edited in the app Tezza. I have a video all about how I edit my Instagram pictures. If you guys are interested, I'll have a link down below, but that's just like a quick little overview. So now that that's done, who knows if I'll post it? I guess we'll see. Follow me on Instagram if you want to know. I have to get some actual work done, and when I say that, I mean schoolwork. So I have quite a few assignments that honestly shouldn't take me too long, but are very necessary for me to get done today. And I think I have a Zoom date with my friends tonight, so definitely don't want to push it off that long. I am going to make some brownies because when we got groceries delivered the other day, I specifically ordered some baking supplies because it's a very easy quarantine activity and I'm bored. So I figured why not make some brownies, right? Everyone loves brownies. Alright guys, the brownies are in the oven and we have since decided that we are having themed night tonight. My mom got a margarita recipe that she really wants to try and we're gonna order from a local Mexican restaurant. We have these fun hats that are not sombreros, but they're close enough and we are, how cute we look! We then checked the menu for the place that we're ordering from and they have family taco night on the menu. So we're getting a platter that I think makes like 12 tacos and then we also get 2 quesadillas. Chips, does it come with salsa, did it say?
No, solamente guacamole.
I'm so happy I decided to vlog today. Is this mine?
Sí.
Thank you. You know, I honestly think that the best way to describe quarantine is it's a time with very, very high highs and very low lows. And tonight was the perfect example of a really high high. Like I just had the best night with my family. We had the best margaritas, amazing food. I made a whole platter of brownies that I'm now ready to enjoy. And I'm about to jump on Zoom with a bunch of my best friends.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
What's up guys and welcome to day 2 of this vlog. I figured I would just extend it. I don't really know how much footage I got yesterday. For all I know, it could be 15 minutes already. I really don't think it is, but I figured today would be a cool little extension to the vlog. For those of you who don't know where I am, I don't know, it really doesn't even really look like much at this point, but I'm at my family's summer house out in the Hamptons. My family got a summer house last summer, or actually around this time last year, and I actually filmed a video last summer showing you guys the really beginning stages of the house, and I wasn't expecting you guys to love it as much as you did, but I mean the feedback I got in that video was amazing. So since I'm here today and there's been quite a few changes made, I figured it'd be fun to just show you guys what we're doing and how we're furthering progress and kind of just show you a status update on the house. So hopefully you guys are into this. It's also a beautiful day outside. Like I haven't been able to comfortably sit outside like this in such a long time. So I'm just so grateful for this little change of scenery. And that plane flying above that you guys can probably hear, please hold. As the weather gets nicer, I feel like it's gonna cause me to go a little bit more stir crazy during all of this, so I'm just really grateful to have this place to kind of escape to, and I'm just really proud of my parents because they've wanted this for such a long time and they're literally putting their all into it, so I'm excited to show you guys all the changes that we've made. I feel like my vlogs are never this casual, but I'm kind of into it, so if you guys want me to just vlog like this more often, I'm totally down to do so, as long as I have things to talk about. So I'm gonna run inside right now. I feel like my mom definitely has things that she needs help with, so I might as well be useful. All right, let's just get into the quick little tour, shall we? I'll have the initial video linked down below so you guys can see what the house looked like in its very beginning stages, and I think that will help you appreciate a little bit more how far we've come, and if you're not interested, you guys can just skip forward a few minutes. This will only take a little bit. So right now we're on the top floor. I figured we would just start here. The first bedroom that you see is my room. So, I mean, the only thing, we like painted the walls. This was initially purple, I'm pretty sure. So we got my light up there. I have a dresser. My closet has been done. So then you walk out of my room, across the hall, you can see the bathroom that my brother and I are gonna share. This has been completely redone. We have Jack and Jill sinks, which is fun. So my brother and I don't have to share a sink anymore like we do at home. All this stuff. I don't know, all the basics. You guys saw that we have this circle mirror in the hallway that I'm obsessed with. I've always wanted a mirror like this in my room, so I like the fact that we have one somewhere in the house. And then down here, we have a bench and this cute little pillow. This is gonna be my parents' room. Of course, still a work in progress, but they just got this rug that my mom is very excited about. And then they have their bathroom right in here. This has also been completely redone. I'm pretty sure this was all brown or orange or something like that. So it's definitely come a long way. Then across the hall, this is gonna be the office that my dad and I use. And then this back here is my brother's room. And then as for the bottom floor, here's our living room. This one, again, this room has done a complete 180 at this point. Did a full 180, crazy. If you know, you know. We got these two little rocking chairs, my mother's pride and joy. We got this beautiful couch that we will really never be able to be allowed to sit on because it's white and knowing us will make a mess. And we have the fireplace just as it was before. Didn't we paint this? Was this always white? Okay, so, all right, so we painted this. We have cute little baskets down there. We completely did the dining area. And then, of course, I think my favorite part of the house is the kitchen. This thing has definitely come a long way, and my beautiful mother. And on the right, we have our mudroom, which was, this was just a hallway, no? And then we completely turned it into a mudroom?
The washing, the
oh,
washer and dryer room.
right. Okay, so we have our mudroom, another bathroom. Over here, I love the tile in this bathroom. This is my favorite. And then a big mirror. This is the door to our basement that is still not done. And then we have our family room. Yet another big couch. This one we will be allowed to sit on because it poses a little bit less of a threat. We have a TV. And then my dad is hammering something back there. And then there's doors that lead out to the pool. So that's a quick little tour for you. If you guys want me to keep you updated on some of the other progress that we make in upcoming weeks or months, I'd be happy to. This is definitely, I mean, I already said this, but this is gonna be a really nice place to just be able to come and escape when the weather gets a little nicer. And I'm just so incredibly grateful. So I don't know, I love taking you guys along in the little endeavors in my life, and this is definitely a new development, so I wanted to keep you in the loop as best as possible. This is like my first outing in such a long time. I like did a full face of makeup, put on actual shoes, jeans. Who the hell am I? I'm feeling good. A little while ago from the Hamptons, and it was a really good day. I'm so happy I got out of the house, and just a nice little change of scenery can really do it for you, and the really beautiful weather definitely didn't hurt. But now that I'm home, one of my best friends, Amanda, just wrote in our group chat that she's literally so bored at home that she tried on her senior prom dress, and I haven't worn mine since the day of senior prom, and since then I have gained 15 pounds, thank God. So I'm excited to see how this thing fits. It's definitely not my style anymore. Like if I had prom right now, I wouldn't wear something like this probably, but I'm excited to try it on. Wearing this dress brings back so many memories, like just from that one night. It's like good and bad, but I don't know, weird shit. I have a clip with my camera on the same windowsill in the same dress 4 years ago from the day. That's crazy. I would love to know if any of you guys have been around long enough to have seen my senior prom vlog or my senior graduation vlog. I vlogged both of those things, and it's just crazy how it was 4 years ago. I'm feeling so incredibly nostalgic right now, but I want to get my parents' reaction to my dress. Doesn't it fit me? Oh my God, it fits me so much better. Yeah. I have 15 more pounds on me since the last time I wore this dress.
Oh my God, it's so fucking beautiful.
So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. It really does mean the world to me that you took the time to watch however long it is. And comment down below if you watched to the end the highlight of your week, I don't know, the highlight of your month. Tell me something good. Give me some good news. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.